Okay guys, 39 degrees. Gone up 6 degrees from when we went come down on the front in town. Yeah, it's come back to 38 now. It's probably about 38 and a half. Let's pull that down a bit. Now we'll walk up through town. Guys, I'm going to have to start piling the videos on again a bit. I'm just not getting the views. So I think there'll be quite a few coming out on both channels. Probably tomorrow. Well, it'll be today when we, obviously when you're watching this. Yeah. I just can't crack this at the moment. Had to stop the live streams. It's not because nobody's coming in, it's just the countable views we're getting on there are not very good. So we're earning, I don't want to bang on about it, but it's 61 cents for 2 hours. So we're going to stop that for a while, rethink it, and we'll be back. Big fish restaurant. So we were saying last night, there's another one up by us. Yes, you promised to take me up there. See if that happens. So this is battered. Supermarkets won't eat fish.
Ah, no estás, pero te va a decir que más.
No vamos a caminar.
I just keep trying though, keep trying to do something. One way or another. Get it in the neck because Sue's channel's not working at the moment as well. I think it's shouting day today. So yeah. All these little alleyways off it down here. Go down, have a beer, try them out. There's some cool down there. Getting like well, the UK is going all clothes shops now. It's still easier to buy your clothes from a shop rather than online. Really getting a bit bright there. Let me know where you do most of your shopping now. Do you do it online or do you do it actually go to the place? Part of the reason why everything's getting so expensive now, I suppose. With everything going online. I really don't know what's going to happen though. If everything goes online, well, and like a lot of places, there'll just be charity shops, a place you can get stuff from. I'm hoping all that's beyond my time. Everything on credit then. You can have a credit card to pay for everything. I'm sure you guys, you know what mess you can get in with them things. Been there many times myself. As you are watching, I hope you're still enjoying the videos. Yeah. We get a few new people in. Welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing. I'm looking for to make that 4,000 as soon as possible now. Around about 2,700 at the moment. Stuck again. It's funny how subscribers go up and then they suddenly stick. It'll be a while before they go up again. Let's see what views we can get on this video. See if we can get 2,000 on here. It'd be great if we could. Yeah, don't forget, I've got my series coming out now. I've got the second one I've published this week. Go and watch that if you want. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.